po again, Sir Ogie. Gusto ko lang sana tanungin, of course, we're talking about Daddy Ogie, pero kanina pag-uusapan din namin kasi nakita namin yung post recently, Miss Reg. Fit and fab, looking fabulous, parang preparing for her grand finale. Ano yung, as icons and as partners, mag-asawa, ano yung mga, how are your conversations like leading up to that? Lalo na syempre, di ba, it's gonna be, one of her pinaka-finale on a big stage.
Ano yung conversations namin?
Yeah, parang leading up to that, tapos nun, ano yung mga reflections niyo?
Ako kasi bilang trainer niya, it's like, mag-ano tayo maglalakad na tayo, mag-gym na tayo, ganyan. Yun ang role ko di ba? But at the same time, I'm so happy kasi her voice is now really good now. Okay na okay voice niya. We sought some treatment and it worked for her. It was good. Leading to the concert, she's super excited. Ganda ng mga plano nila ni Kakay. And at the same time, meron siyang ginagawang album. Sorry, honey, sinasabi ko na. At pinapakinggan namin araw-araw, grabe ang gaganda ng mga kanta. Yung little bakla inside me, yung parang, ganda, Regine, guys. Ang galing, ang ganda nung timing ng mga gagawin niya. And I'm glad that she is taking the time to really focus on it.
That's nice. Well, a little bit of backtrack lang po, hindi kami na-update nyo sa treatment sa kanyang voice. Ano-anong treatments po yun and how crucial is it para ma-maintain? Because we know, of course, nag-iiba yung boses as we age.
Baka pagalitan niya ako. I think she should talk about it herself. No? But we did. We went somewhere. And ang galing ng doctor and she was fixed. So, it just comes with age. You know, when we get older, our voices change. Like ako, hindi ko na naaabot yung mga naabot ko nung bata ako. But we sing differently now. Yung dahil may puot na, may lalim, may something, And I keep telling her that, obviously when you were younger, you were able to sing as high as you could. But now, you have a voice that has so much emotion. You could already tell, grabe, ang daming experience itong tao. The way she, ang kanyang ace is that she's a fantastic storyteller. So when she sings, nararamdaman mo yung sinasabi niya. When she's whispering, when she's singing loud, and she's singing high. But now, it's still there, but it has more purpose. So, abangan niya yung concert niya. It's gonna be madaming finale yan. For sure.
We're so excited for that. Ang cute din yung mga photo ninyo pag parang naiinis siya nag-training kayo sa nag-exercise kayo sa village nyo.
Kasi ayaw niya talaga yun. Naalala ko kasi yung first rock concert niya. Kasi may repeat yun eh. Yung una niya, pinapanood ko siya, sabi niya ako, parang nabigla yata yung asawa ko. Kasi may hingal, may gano'n. So, I made sure, kulang yung training natin. So, nung second, pinaghandaan niya talaga. She was killing it. So now, I'm sure she's going to be really, really good. So, abangan niya. Finale.
Excited for that and excited for Daddy Yogi.
Thank you.
Yes. First of many Daddy Yogis.
No, this will be the only one. Kasi Father's Day, who knows, maybe next year, I don't know.
Because audiences seem to like that, right? Yung may
Yeah. Well, kasi I'm already going to start the Nandito Ako series.
Okay.
So I'm going to Australia, then I'm going to Canada, and then leading to maybe a big concert. But next year, I'm doing the musical, which will be entitled also Nandito Ako. So we will start auditioning maybe August or October, and then maybe start rehearsing next year.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you, Miss MJ. At alam mo, Pogi, nandito ako, may mga nagpapatanong, no?
Oo.
Talaga
Totoo ba yan?
Oh, hindi, totoo. Nagpapatanong, actually nagpapatanong yung director mismo, si Paolo Bustamante, para mabanggit mo daw.
Oh.
May mga guest ka daw ba dito sa Daddy Oki on the 19th and the 20th? Pareho bang guest? Can you tell us more about Daddy Oki? Saan daw mabibili ang tickets? May tickets prices ka raw ba?
Wala.
Yan, makinig po tayo mabuti kasi wala pong PR ng pamimigay.
Saan ba yung mga
pakitandaan ko
prices
to.
ng ticket? Okay, Proscenium is at the Rockwell. Hindi ko alam kung nakapunta na kayo doon. Medyo bago pa yung theater doon. It's very, very nice, very cozy. And it's going to be on June 19 and June 20. Ang guests ko po for now is Bella Padilla and Karil. So, silang dalawa yung guests ko. For now. Meron pa akong nililigawan. Isa pa. Pero hindi ko pa pwede announce. Surprise. So, inisip ko kasi, syempre yung mga daddy gusto naman nila makakita ng magaganda, di ba? Na kumakanta. And si Bella, ang cute kasi, lagi yan, alam mo, Kuya Oki, kuya ba ako o tito sa kanya? Ako kuya. Lagi na lang ko kasi hindi mo ko ginigest. So sabi ko, sige na nga. Seryoso ka ba niya? Parang hindi ko alam kung seryoso siya. So nag-yes siya. Yeah, si Karil naman, obviously I've worked with her so many times. So Bella Padilla and Karil will be our guests.
19 and 20th.
Yes, on both nights. That's correct. Ito pala. So orchestra premium is 7,725. Orchestra A is 6,695. Orchestra B is 5,665. Orchestra side is 5,665. And orchestra dress circle is 3,605.
Pero okay, ang maganda dyan, no? Kahit saan nakapwesto, malapit lang. Kasi it's,
Yeah.
maliit lang yung venue, 700 ang capacity.
Natatansikan ko ng laway yung kakanta ko.
Yeah. Thank you. At syempre, eto, ang next na magtatanong, gusto siyang makatanggap ng green food din. Yeah.
Uy!
Maingay din siya kanina. Salve, Asis. Okay, pwede ka na mag-ingay ngayon, Salve. Ay, gusto ko ng mic?
Hi, Salve!
Actually, sa lahat ng maingay, si Salve naghanap ng mic. Yes,
Hi, oh.
Hi.